A customer here in a pretty clapped out truck. Big old wheels. Complaining of noise in the rear end. Just wonder what it could be. Wow, those really long lowering shackles. Holy cow, look how big they are. My hand ain't even that big. This is my thumb all the way out. Slamming on both sides. Look at that. This truck is dark.